Call everybody. If you got a fear of the phone, you just got to get over it. You got to call everybody. You got to be relentless on the phone. When I'm working live seminars, and I'll do it in this room so you guys can see if I'm full of crap or not. If I'm working one of your leads and I call your customer and it goes to voicemail, what do you think I do?
To an automatic voice message system.
And then what do I do 2 seconds later? Call them again. I was in a dealership last week or the week before last in Boston. I called a customer 4 times. Called them, they didn't answer. Called them again, they didn't answer. Called them again, they didn't answer. Called them on the 4th time. Now I know that's a little excessive, but even when I call somebody 4 times, if you get them on the phone and you have the right attitude, they're not going to be angry. Who's this? This is Kyle from the dealership. Thank you so much for taking my call. I'm so happy I got you on the phone. I actually got that Jeep that you wanted. Oh, I'm glad I'm talking to you. If you do that, they're going to be like, oh, okay. But if you go, oh, I'm sorry to bother you, then they're going to get upset. We're so worried about offending people that don't even know who we are. They don't even know who you are. Well, I got this internet lead, and it clearly says prefers email. Yeah, I got you, okay? Who cares? Get over it. Call everybody.